Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Calendly account to your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Calendly to LearnWorlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a school or lessons inside LearnWorlds, you know that sometimes your students require one-on-one lessons. And by connecting your Calendly, they can go into their LearnWorlds account and schedule on your Calendly without even having to leave the LearnWorlds account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your Calendly account to your LearnWorlds, here on the left side, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, integrations. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, live sessions. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these four options here at the top, and you want to be sure to click on Calendly. All right, once you do that, this is where you can go ahead and connect your Calendly. First, you need to go ahead and click on activate. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up down here, and you're going to click on connect account. All right, once you do that, Calendly will open up a browser. So you want to click on this, connect to Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into my LearnWorlds, and you can see your Calendly account right here, connected account. It's going to show the email address connected to your Calendly as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Calendly to your LearnWorlds account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.